This is the shoe kitchen, and this is you looking down on dough. Alright, so what we've gone and done is heated up a pan with some butter in it, a lot, on a very hot burner. Started a minor fire, and we've got a hamburger here. It's got a lot of salt and cayenne in it. You can see the shoe belly there in the shot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this hunk of hamburger, drop it on this super hot pan. There's a lot of smoke coming out of the burner, but we'll probably be fine. Probably be fine. All right. Now, the reason I put the lid on it is because it holds the heat in and heats the hamburger on the inside as much as the outside. But what I really want is like a really nice char on the outside of the hamburger, but I want the inside cooked enough to where my wife won't look at me like, "Are you trying to kill me?" Oh shit. Started another fire. All right, now, see how that's nice and crunchy on the outside? It's definitely what we want. We got a bowl here to start the salad dressing. Very simple. You set the fire alarm off constantly. My wife coughing in the background, looking at me funny, like, "What are you doing in the kitchen?" All right, I threw some Duke's mayonnaise. Very important to always use Duke's mayonnaise. Anybody who says use anything other than Duke's mayonnaise, well, you don't want to trust them with anything else important in your life, that's for sure. Some sour cream, full fat sour cream. This is a keto salad. It's where you use a lot of mayonnaise and sour cream, and you don't really care about what people think. I'm going to turn the heat off of the stove, move the burger to somewhere else, because I think we've got enough heat on that now. Last step, I'm going to make sure that we're reasonably cooked. Well, it looks like we could probably use a little bit more time on the stove, but not on that much heat. This stove is insanely hot. I don't know what kind of crazy electrician put this thing together, but it is dangerously hot and will smoke the whole house out very, very quickly. I love it. Now, in the salad dressing, I'm going to use a little Pinsy's salad dressing spice. There we go. Oh, there we go. We've set off the fire alarms. It's absolutely chaos now. We're going to take a break. All right, after decreasing the heat and putting the fires out, the Airbnb guests came downstairs and wondered if we were setting the fire off the house on fire. We're back in business, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop the hamburger up in the pan with the grease and the butter, and a little teeny tiny pieces. As you can see, I've also added a avocado cut in half there on the cutting board. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump the grease, the beef, and everything into the mayonnaise and the whipped cream, or the whipped cream there. And now, I'm going to stir it up like crazy. Cut up some of that hamburger. And when my wife comes out and tells me this is not the salad dressing she wants, the beef will already be coated, and salad dressing will be too late for her. Now, last thing we're going to do is we're going to take an avocado, as I showed you in another video. We're going to cut that into sexy little slices. Got my tablespoon there. Beautiful avocado slices, for a beautiful salad for a beautiful wife. Now this is what I was trying to show you in the other video. See how I take the knife, I grab the seed, and that, man, I'm 0 for 2 here. There we go, that'll have to work. There we go. That is one beautiful avocado salad for one beautiful wife. Now I get to let her drop the salad dressing into the salad, close the plastic container, shake it like crazy, and she will have a beautiful, beautiful salad. And last, what we have here is a beautiful beefy dressing-y salad for my wife, who does not like a whole lot of salad dressing. For me, I would have probably dumped the whole bowl on there. But avocados, cheese, beef, whipped cream, mayonnaise, that right there is going to make the spinach and the broccoli bearable. Man, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. That is how you set a smoke alarm off while you make a salad for your wife.